I'm Hannah from the Arlington Public Library. Welcome to Stepping Stones, the library's program to teach your young child how to get ready to learn to read. Did you know that singing, playing, and talking, as well as reading and writing, can help your child with early literacy skills? Early literacy is everything your child knows about reading and writing before they can actually do so, and you can practice these skills at home. Today, I have a few tips about talking with your child. Talking with your child is important because it helps your child develop a bigger vocabulary, which will be really helpful when your child begins to learn to read. It also helps introduce your child to different conceptual ideas, such as feelings, opposites, and the past and future. One of my favorite ways to talk to a child is to take turns telling a story. Storytelling helps them develop narrative skills, which can help motivate them to learn to read. You can take turns telling a story really easily. For example, you can start with something like, "Once upon a time there was a," and let your child fill in what comes next. Taking turns is important because it means first your child must listen to and interpret what you say. Then your child must use their imagination to figure out what comes next. And finally, your child must articulate that response in words. Should we try it together? Since I don't have a child of my own to practice with right now, we're going to be really silly and pretend that Mr. Feathers is my child. Should we try? Once upon a time, there was a
flamingo.
Yes, there was a flamingo. And all throughout the land, he was known to be the most
handsome.
He was a handsome flamingo, the best looking flamingo there was. But he had a dark secret. He was terribly afraid of
peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches? Oh my goodness, that's silly. The great thing about storytelling turns is that it can be as short or as long as you like, and it can be done almost anywhere. In line at the grocery store, on a walk, during lunch, or even after you finish a good book together. You can ask your child what they think the main character will do after the book finishes. We hope you have lots of fun telling stories together. For more early literacy tips and stepping stones videos, as well as books that you can check out, visit the Arlington Public Library website, library.arlingtonva.us. Happy storytelling!